Hi, everyone, and welcome to Simple Marketing Academy. This is where small business owners, entrepreneurs, and solopreneurs come to learn very simple, cost-effective marketing techniques so they can gain more clients, make more sales, increase their revenue, and grow their business. My name is Jill Fox, and I am the co-owner of Fox Social Media. Along with my son, Tanner J. Fox, we help businesses, practices, and brands to market, advertise, and grow online. And we've been doing this since 2010. So happy to have both the Simple Marketing Academy podcast and the Simple Marketing Academy show on YouTube so that we can help all of you as well. So let's get started.
In this video, we're going to be going over how to spy on your competitors' top performing ads and how you can use that to create your own. So a couple days ago, Reddit just released a tool kind of like Facebook's ad library, but for their own. And somewhat similar to Facebook's, it will show you the top performing ads on Reddit compared to any other ads. Whereas Facebook, you only just see all the ads and you can see it more from a transparency point of view. Reddit allows you to see the top performing ones in certain industries, what their budgets are, and the formats and placements, and even the objectives of those ads. So on screen, you can see this is Reddit's ad library, and you don't even have to have an ad account to see this. Now, this information carries over more than just to Reddit and Reddit only ads. This can be great for seeing other type of ads you may want to test, whether it's the copy, their call to actions, what type of imagery or video they're using. So I'm able to go in here and I can search for a certain keyword. I can sort by my industry. Maybe I wanted to type in a competitor's name. I could do that here. So let's say I want to look in a certain industry, and let's say I want to look in the gaming industry for fun. I can sort that and it will show me these top performing ads in this category. And I'm able to click in and view the details, or even open it in a new tab or copy the link. And when I click view details, it will open up all the different information from this ad. So you see their copy here at the top. We can watch their video. We can see what their budget is. We can see what the objective is. And you can even see the AI generates what the best practices are in this ad and why it's working. So it says there's a clear call to action and the brand name. There's a limited time offer, and the platform specific language. So these are different things why this ad is working. Now, if I were to click into a different one, let's just click into one like this. We'll click view details. This one looks like it's car insurance. And we can see a couple different of the best practices that this AI is generating. And we can even preview it in different modes if they're running it in different formats or in different places. And you can see it will break down these ads for you. And you could even look at your own if you're running them this way. So I'm able to see who's spending a lot of money in this industry. Let's say I want to do, we'll just leave it open in general. And we can scroll through and see which ones are being promoted well. And we can click in and see how they're performing. So let's say we want to see a physical product here. I can click in and look at this. It seems like this giant cube that lights up. So it says they're spending a lot of money and their goal is conversion. So they're trying to sell something, and we can see how this ad is actually performing. So this can be a very beneficial tool for seeing what's working and what's not in certain industries, and even getting direct breakdowns of why the ad is working and what things they do well. So that's Reddit's new tool that they recently added. TikTok also has a pretty good tool here. You're going to have an account and you can log in here, but you're able to go to ads.tiktok.com and you're able to look at the top performing ads and also filter by different categories in here. So we can do it by location. We have different industries we can choose from, the objective of the ad, so somewhat similar again, the language, the format, and the likes. So if we want to see if it's in the top 1%, we can see that. Or if we want to see it's just doing general, we can do that. I can also sort it by what is the most relevant, how much reach it has, click-through rates, or even some other factors as well. So a good example of this would be if I wanted to see how good someone's hook is. If I'm looking for a hook for a video ad for my script, I can click into 6-second view rates and see who has the best hook and who's keeping people for that initial 6 seconds. And I could go through and you can see top 9% click-through rate, top 1%, and see the different analytics for these ads. So if I want to see this person has a top 1%, I can click in and it will open a new tab showing me their objectives, their ad caption, and their actual ad performance. So you can see all of their ad data in here. So I can see their click-through rate, I can see their CVR, I can see their clicks, conversions, and you can see a lot of different data in here and then other relevant ones as well. So you're able to see a lot of information in here, the actual performance of these ads. So using this with that Reddit tool, you can see what's working, see exactly behind the scenes, and be able to know what parts of those ads are working on the Reddit version just by clicking on, and that AI will tell you what it's doing well or what it's not. So these are two very beneficial tools you should be using when it comes to researching and getting ideas and creating your own ads.
Tired of feeling overwhelmed with marketing your small business? Let our experienced marketing team help your business grow. With personalized strategies tailored to meet your needs, we'll help you stand out in a crowded market. Contact us today for more information at foxsocialmedia.com. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at foxsocialmedia.com. On our website, you'll find that we have done-for-you services through Fox Social Media, where we help businesses, practices, and brands to market, advertise, and grow online. And we've been doing this since 2010. This is a done-for-you service. We also have services for very small business owners, entrepreneurs, and solopreneurs who can't afford done-for-you services. And this is a very inexpensive program called Simple Marketing Support, where we're there to teach you, support you, and answer your questions. You can find more about all of our services if you go to foxsocialmedia.com. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode.